Hi everybody, today we're going to be finding the mean of a dataset using a TI-83 plus or a TI-84. The calculator that I use has the same functions as both calculators. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing that we do is we have to put the data in a list. Put the data in a list. Okay, so we'll call list 1. It's basically the same way that we find the mean if you watch that one. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Let's pull up my calculator. And to put it into a list, we go ahead and hit Stat, Enter. Then a list will come up, and we want to get rid of this list 1, so I highlight on L1 and hit Clear, and then hit the button down, and go ahead and put the numbers in. You put the number in and hit Enter, and continue until all your numbers are in. So let's get started. Okay, magically there it is, and we can see our data set is in. Okay, so here the second step. Okay, and this is actually the function that'll give it to us. We want to hit Stat. You want to arrow over to Calc, and we want to hit the number 1, which is one variable stat. And then we want to arrow down, and we want to look for, we get a smile on our face, we want to look for the capital M. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started and do that. Stat, arrow to the right to calc. Number 1 is one variable stat. We want to hit enter there. Okay, so it's blinking. Since I'm on the list 1, I don't have to enter list 1 because the calculator is pre-programmed to calculate whatever's in list 1. So I'm allowed to hit enter here. Okay, so once I'm here, I don't see my capital M. So I scroll down. Okay, and we find the median of 4. We find a median of 4. Okay, so I'm going to do it for this one also. But in this one, I'm going to go ahead and enter the list in the second set. I'm going to enter into list 2 to show you the difference of how these things work. So let's go ahead and put the data in the same way that you did before. But I'm going to go to list 2. Okay, and there's our data. And from the other video, I believe the median here was 16.5. So let's verify. We want a second quit out of there. Okay, technically you don't have to do that, but it's kind of a good habit of after you put stuff in the list, go ahead and get out of that list. Okay, and I'll just show you really quick why. Because sometimes when you don't, what you do will end up doing it down here on the bottom. Okay, whatever you're trying to do, and it won't work. So do that, and let's go ahead and finish. Okay, so since we put our data into L2, we must tell the calculator what list we're in. So to do that, the L2 is, okay, second, and the number 2. Now L2 pops up there. Now it's going to collect all my statistics for the second data set, and I'm looking for a capital M. And there it is. This verifies what we did by hand is true. So that's how you find the median using the TI-83 or TI-84. Thank you so much for watching, and have a nice day.